Hello, fellow lodge members. Let me just share this link. And we're off. Just gonna briefly talk about the market. Shut that window. And any recent developments. Let me shut that window. Let's start with this. The vote's a blowout. This proposal for graveyard and coffin. $2.1 million X coffin, the governance token, has voted yes. 15,000 voted need more information. I can understand that. And nobody voted no yet. As you can see, the vote started 19 hours ago. We broke some records with this vote. So that's pretty cool. Everyone seems to want it. And why not? If you're already in coffin, it's like a massive airdrop. Why would you not vote yes for it? So, full disclosure, they gave me a dev, Yoichi, and I'm the protocol leader. I decided no USDC, so no whales can dump on us. Against all advice, everyone who I respect that runs Tomb Forks told me that I need to include USDC or I won't get enough participants. But I argue that COUSD is 80 cents and will be $1 very soon, as it gets the highest single stake allocation in Genesis of the graveyard. So I see a lot of people selling their coffin for COUSD because most people have X coffin and that pool is going to get saturated real fast. So we'll see. Genesis is 3 weeks long. It's going to be beautiful. Let's move on. Let's look at the market. Fantom. What are you doing, Fantom? It's being great. Broke resistance. Nice. Fantom's doing great. Fantom against Bitcoin. Not as good, but I'm on the daily there. 5 minute there. Let's throw it on the 5. Yeah, it should look similar. Yeah, going up against Bitcoin. You always want to check what your coin is doing against Bitcoin. It shows relative strength in the market. Where's my chat? That's a part of the design of Graveyard. All right. Here's Bitcoin. Nice. Pumping. So I imagine dominance is pumping. Yes. Even on the minute, I imagine. Pumping. Yes, sir. So a bunch of money just came into crypto. Pumped us up like that from 29.3K to 31.5K. I do think we're going to bounce up. And I think we could break this local high here at 47.9. And I do think we went too far down and need to correct back up a little bit. And then we could very well do this. As you can see, boom, 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 up, but then very well make another lower low. I don't see us going below 25K. We have strong support at 25K, but going down to 25K and testing it with a weekly candle or even a daily is likely what I see before we shoot off and have a golden cross and all those nice things. It's kind of based on 3-ohm design, tomb design, you know, there's Graveyard. It's just basic. It's gonna, you know, we actually hired a great artist to make up some new stuff, but it's the basic look, dark purple. I want to go for here. Now where is my chat? Alright, nobody's here. Cool. Cool. That's your market update. No, I'm just kidding. CZR looks interesting to me. So I'm going to look into that. And we're just going to pop into Dex Screener, click on Fantom and see what pumped and what didn't. What's pumping in the last 5 minutes? T-share is up 1.2% in the last 5 minutes. Penguin Carts was one of the best deals of the day. If I remember correctly, the third best deal of the day, Penguin Carts. And they're listed on Spooky Swap, single stake. You can single stake XBOO for Penguin Carts. So they must have somewhat of a legit team and something going on. So I've been just getting some PGK for the future. It's been paying off. LQDR. Let's see what's up in the last 6 hours. ICE token, is that new? Chainlink, wow. Chainlink's up 14% in the last 6 hours. Woo is up 3% today. Wow. Woo is doing good. You can also earn Woo on Boo with single stake XBoo. M-Share Miniverse, they continue to just keep being volatile. I'm so bullish on Avalanche lately. They're up, 5% in the last 6 hours. We're about to see a pump, people. I'm obviously not sure about that, but we're about to see a pump in crypto if everything I've seen in my history and on my indicators and from what I've learned is correct. We're about to see a pump. And Alchemix, I guess this is, looks like a rocket ship. Looks like something I want to get on board. Especially on that red, look at this red candle I'm buying into. It's just not Fantom. Let's grab some USDC. What's the market cap? 260K. All I need is 50 bucks in there. Let's do it. What else did I buy today? QI on Polygon. I used a little Matic to buy QI. And look, I just made a little green notch on that dip. Actually want to buy another $33 into $55 into this. Then I'll have 800 USDC left. Look, it just got sold. I don't care. Buy back in. Looks good to me. Long-term investment. This Alchemix. All right. Now watch another bot sell my buy. Watch. Try to make that candle red. They don't want it to look like a pump. All right. Yeah, I bought Deuce Die. And the third one, I sold all Darko. And the third, I bought pills today. I bought more coffin today. Ooh, look at that. Up 8% in the hour. Coffin is a wonderful thing. Look how much it has gone up since we started saying buy this shit. Not even the bottom, not even the top is 400%, 410% in 19 days. And I didn't even go to the bottom and top. Woo! ApeCoin, cheap, so cheap. And you know, I was buying this a lot at 11 bucks. Bought most of it at $7.72 here in this range. I got some down here when it dropped, a couple $100. But ApeCoin's gonna explode. They're looking for a place to launch their metaverse. So we just gotta be patient. ApeCoin's gonna explode, in my opinion. And that's all I bought today. I didn't buy Zoo, did I? I wanted to. Let me see if I have Zoo. I'm not sure I'm even gonna buy it now. I mean, everything is about to erupt. I can feel it. You can see it. It's very clear what's happening in DeFi and crypto. Luna destabilized everything, and now we're about to pump. Let me see if anyone's even here. Two viewers. Yeah, this CZR has the shittiest website, and it's on BSC, so actually scratch that. And they're calling it a retirement package. That's the dumbest thing I ever heard of. It's multi-chain. Actually, I mean, oh, this is a multi-chain capital sponsored thing. OG2 made me a lot of money. This could too. Buy it early. I don't know. Anyhoozle, we're looking at a... Oh, nice comeback for Liberty. Good job. Back over peg. And printing again. That was a big dump. But we were way over peg. So now we're just over peg. See what happens here. Constitution should go back up so long as Liberty stays over peg. So that should actually skyrocket if Liberty proves to stay over peg. Darko. Dark and Darko. They're gonna pump when Bitcoin does, I think. This $2.5 million worth of dark about to unlock in 2 days is crazy. They want to sell. It lost value. They bought it up way up. They bought it at like $1 or something. I don't know where they bought it, but they didn't buy it this cheap. I sold all my Darko tokens. My Darko, my Dua, my Debu, my Dark especially. I broke my LP, sold it. I tried to keep 25% running in an auto compounder, but their button didn't work, so I didn't keep any in. I'm glad their button didn't work. I don't really like to look at too much but Fantom right now, so I mean Harmony's gonna do great. I like DeFi Kingdoms. I think strategy yield farming games are gonna be huge. Basically turning tomb forks into like a game. Like a, you know, who's more vigilant, active, has a better strategy, you know. Strategy game with money. P Fantom continue to do good. Pay. PGK might be that good dip, but most people get wrecked on gaming tokens because they just have infinite supply and they just keep minting. Liquid Driver is great in my opinion. And what else did I buy today? Not Merlin. Oh, Midas Touch turns everything into gold. Yes, I bought Midas today. So I bought Midas, Deuce Die, Coffin, Co-USD, which I think is the most important for Graveyard. You gotta get some Co-USD. And I just bought some G Alchemex and I forget the rest. I'm very tired. I've been working very hard. designing, strategizing, you know, the upcoming Genesis, which is going to last 3 weeks long, and it's going to be really interesting. So join t.me/the Crypto Lodge if you made it to this point in the video. t.me/the Crypto Lodge. All one word, all lower cases, and I will see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Looks like we're gonna pump.